For us, culture is everything. It's who we are, how we work, and what we value. Student excellence, curiosity, grit. These aren't just words on a wall. They're how we show up every single day. Every student walks through our doors with a dream. Our mission? To help them turn that dream into reality. We are authentic. We are aspirational. We are actionable. Join a community where your future takes flight.
I heard about AIM on the radio ad. Started a brand new chapter in my life that day with AIM. I didn't feel like a number. You walk in and if you had questions, they were going to help you. The life I have right now, the house that I own, the minivan that we drive, none of that would be obtainable without AIM. And I still wear the AIM shirt. It's kind of a reminder. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for here.